Siyempre, una-una blessing siya. Diba? And yung nakita ko yung product nila, Tagalog na lang
Yes, okay.
It got my curiosity. Sabi ko, bakit ganito yung design niya? Bakit ganyan yung itsura niya? Elegance. Umpisa pa lang, mapapansin mo siya. Tapos merong curious ako, ba't ganun yung design niya? But once you tried it, yung kinupuan ko, and you will see talaga na it's made for talagang pinag-isipan nila, and it brings a different kind of feeling of comfort na hindi ko nararamdaman sa ibang furniture, to be honest. That's why I said yes. Especially that chair. Nakikita natin na.
First time mo na nakita itong video na to?
Yeah.
So, anong pakiramdam?
Ayun lang, masaya. I'm happy. Dahil, masaya ako dahil finally,
This is the first time na makapag-endorse ako ng furnitures.
Ano? Usual mic. Ay, wala pa lang.
hello. This is the first time na makapag-endorse ako ng furnitures. And as a grown man, yan yung mga hilig namin. Sarap mamili ng mga furnitures. And I'm glad and thankful na nakapag-endorse pa ako ng isang brand na sakto sa atin.
Okay, last question. Kaya Miss April sa owners. Bakit po, Guy, ang napili nating endorser sa furniture na to? Usually, babae, furniture, pero lalaki pong naisipan ninyong endorser list.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, we have a pool of celebrities who would be endorsing the brand and the furniture line. Basically, usually tama po kayo babae. Pero kasi nakita namin yung image kapag lalaki yung nagdala. Look at the video. So makikita nyo yung touch. Royalty chair, actually it's my own design. So makikita nyo dito, actually these are just some of the view and this journey is exciting for us eh. Kapag kasi guy like Alger, yung dating kasi ng royalty chair, iba sa babae, iba din yung dating sa lalaki. So it gives you the royalty image talaga. So like that. Ito yung action eh. So and halimbawa itong mga, actual namin to, itong mga resin, luxury resin table, so center tables, Nara made with Nara wood, so pure yan, solid. Kaya kami, naka-high-end po talaga si Luxury Estetica, so there's a niche market for us, and Nara kasi represents parang strength, diba? So, men represent strength, so yun yung inuna namin, kaya nauna si Alger talaga.
So may mga inacoming weeks, months, or may mga endorsers para susunod?
Of course, there will be a lot actually. So, ano ka lang din to, I would like to mention this to everyone that the goal of Luxury Estetica is to, actually, the major goal is to be the leading luxury furniture brand in the Philippines. Kasi lahat ng materials namin dito, though some materials kasi wala sa Philippines, so you have to import. But basically, everything is originated in the Philippines to also support the local market. So, pero premium. Kasi if you would actually do a research, before we put up the brand, we launched the brand, nag-check kami sino magiging competition ng high-end furniture brand that actually is based in the Philippines. Actually, no one. Meron tayo galing ibang bansa. Why couldn't we? Tayo #1 supplier ng Nara. So why couldn't we be the high-end furniture supplier? That is actually originated in the Philippines. So yun, kaya tayo.
Okay, last question na Alger. Alger, ang pinaka-type mo na piece of furniture na meron ka na galing sa Luxury Estetica?
Ako sasabi ko yung royalty chair. Yung makikita nyo sa video, specifically that one. Kahit anong makikita nyo naman, experiment ko na yung upo ko dyan. Kahit saan, it will give you that feel ng elegance. And, well, as a man kasi, when we go home, diba? Sometimes what we need is peace and that kind of environment na makakapag-isip tayo, makakapag-create tayo. So, that chair gives that feeling, especially the flow when you're creating something. You start the script, you review your finances, you review your planning mo sa sa buhay mo, gives you that kind of peace and flow.
Congratulations sa endorsement.
Salamat.
Thanks so much, and we have here also, sir.
Yung question ko po is for the owners. Ma'am, kasi ito po, yung mga ganito po mga products, this is for a lifetime eh, kung ba pang matagalan. Hindi siya tulad ng ibang mga brands na kapag in-endorse ng isang artist, yung ginamit lang, tapos pwedeng palitan after. Ito kasi, this is a thinking na kapag binili mo, matagalan po ang gamit. Yun po ba yung pinaka vision po ng inyo? Kumbaga, gagawa kayo ng isang creation na yung sa for a lifetime yung sa ibang sa mga consumers.
Yes, of
Hello? Yes, of course, value for money. Gusto talaga natin, bawat product, tatagal talaga siya. To sample na lang itong mga resin tables, quality talaga siya. And makikita nyo, napaka-unique ng design. So aside from its uniqueness, dun sa design niya, talagang napakatibay. Aabot siya ng mga generations talaga. So worth it yung ilalabas na money ng mga customers.
I-add ko. Actually, ako kasi, when we, kasi di ba, yung ibang media aware naman na we have Aromagicare, we have Wide International Film Production, we have Dear Claws. This is the newest venture. Nakakatuwa kasi kahit bago itong ano na to, nagma-micromanage kami ngayon. Kasi even yung pagpunta, gusto ko ma-check eh, kasi we have a major supplier from Ilocos Norte, ng mga Nara, ng mga Mahogany, ng mga Acacia. Nakakatuwa, biniro ko nga siya eh. Kasi yung mga Nara po natin, most of them are century old. So, macro po talaga yung supply natin. And may joke nga ako eh, hindi kasi umuurong kasi yung mga century old kahit tumagal ng decades. So, kaya biniro ko siya, actually, yung mga woods natin, yung decades and years uurong, pero yung woods natin, hindi uurong. So, joke ko siya, hindi uurong yung woods kasi aral siya, century old mostly. At hindi lang ito yan, we have dining tables, we have a lot actually. Ito lang yung nakikita nyo ngayon.
Saan po makikita mga products po?
We will be opening warehouses here in Quezon City, also in Batangas, because we have businesses there, in Bataan as well, in our own resort in Aromagicare Grandeur Hills. Makikita din po doon. And a lot, we are aspiring to open about 25 actually warehouses and showrooms in the Philippines, starting next year.
That's po for Drew. Meron ka na bang mga piece na nandun na sa house mo? And then, house, kumusta ambience? Kumusta ang, kumbaga yung nararamdaman mo kung meron?
As I've said, it gives you that flow, diba? Kasi bilang isang tao, meron kasi tayong mga spots sa bahay na favorite. Bilang isang lalaki, meron akong spot sa music room. So that's where I go every time na galing ako sa trabaho and I have to think mag-isa. It gives you that feeling of peace, diba? And elegance. Tapos, specifically for this furniture, diba? Binibigay sa akin yung flow of creativity. Yun mismo yung flow lang. I guess, diba? So you can tuloy-tuloy lang. Kasi minsan, pag nasa isang nakaupo ka, minsan it doesn't give you that flow, parang naging na-distract, yung feeling ito nasa pakiramdam na ano talaga. Nandun ka lang lagi sa ambience niya.
Ibig sabihin, busy ka na ngayon. Dami mo ng products.
Thank God. Yes. Yes. This is one of dumating sa ating best.